Splash! You looked away for 1 second and your child has fallen into the water. Your heart races as you quickly rush to pull them out. Accidents can happen within seconds, but you don't want to go through with that again. A pool safety fence can prevent accidents from happening and benefit you in other ways. Here are 3 major benefits of swimming pool safety fences. 1. Reduces drowning and accidents. The number 1 benefit of pool safety fences is that they provide safety. These fences are not child-proof or pet-proof, but they are a layer of added protection. Parents know that taking your eyes off your child for even a second can be dangerous. Yet it is impossible to always keep an eye out, especially if you work from home or just have a busy day. Accidents in your backyard can be reduced with a pool safety fence. About 1 out of 5 people who die from drowning are children aged 14 and under. Many of these incidents happen in residential pools, but fencing can greatly reduce this risk. Although safety is the number 1 priority in mind when having a pool safety fence, there are other benefits. 2. Affordable. Generally, having a pool safety fence is affordable. Factors that go into the price include pool size, location, and type of fence. Getting a pool fence built can also benefit you by bringing the value of your home up. If you ever intend on selling your home, this affordable option can get you more money in the end. Buyers with kids are more likely to buy a home that has a pool fence compared to one that does not. 3. Custom choices. There are so many types of pool fences that you could get built. Design and fence materials are something to keep in mind. No matter the size of your pool, there is an option for you. Pool fences can be easy to use because they come in different types. Your custom choice could be a removal fence or a permanent fence. Removal fences are easy to use and are durable. Customizing your safety pool fence can bring you peace of mind if you have kids that want to jump in the pool at any time. If you don't want your pool to be in use, you can securely lock it with a closing gate. All it takes is a few seconds to open it back up and be ready for use. There are tons of pool safety fences to choose from, and the perfect one is out there for you. Keep your family safe by getting a fence today. For your own custom safety pool fence, contact Montco Fence. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give us a like and leave a comment telling us what you think. And subscribe for more great guides and insights about fencing.